YouTube, guess what? I got a vlogging camera. I got the Sony ZV-1F. So we are gonna open this bad boy up. Okay, hold on. Instructions, I think. Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, okay. More instructions. They wrapped it.
Okay, I don't know what this first piece is.
Oh. The mic head. This back in here. And then the cord, I guess, to charge it. And then, okay, I was like, is it gonna come out? Dun da da dun, da 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 da. We got it. We got it. Okay, wait. I feel legit. Welcome to my channel from another view. But let's see if we can actually turn it on. Hello. Maybe I have to try. Wait, is the batteries in here? No. Okay, let me try this again. Here's the batteries. So let's try. I'm gonna put the batteries in. And then, I guess that's why they had mad instructions. Please, please. Okay. We're live! We're live! English, yes. I understand. Connect to smart tooth. Okay, guys. Well, the camera's live. I'm gonna continue this later, but I just wanted to show you because this is really exciting. This is the next step in my content creation journey. We're really out here. So we're going to be elevating our content to the next level. But real quick also, I got some accessories because I'm clumsy and I wanted to make sure. Okay, this might be loud, but I got like a little silicone like cover to go on top of the camera. And then I also got a case, but it's not like here yet, so I can just put like a hard case. So if I just put it in my bag, it just goes in there. I got a memory chip, like, because how else are you gonna save stuff? I got you know, like how you have screen protectors on your phone. I got the screen protector for that, like the flip side where you can see yourself. Okay, what's this? Oh, I seen other YouTubers I watched. They're like, oh, I forgot a car mount. I forgot a car mount. So I bought myself a car mount. So that's easier to like log in the car instead of just, you know, holding it and stuff. Then, oh, also, everybody's always like, my battery died, my battery died. I got 3 extra batteries and a charger for it. And the other stuff is coming later on. But this is exciting because this is the next step in us elevating our content creation. Okay, so as we know, it's October, which means what? It's the last quarter of the year. So we need to get to work. Some people might have procrastinated on some of their goals, but we can't be waiting. We're not going to be like, oh, let's just wait until 2024. No, let's just do it now. Let's get our lives back on track. Let's make use of this last quarter, these last 3 months of the year. There's not much time left. So we are just going to make the most of it. And we're going to accomplish our goals. With that being said, I actually have reevaluated. So I love me a journal. So I have a couple of them. So I actually write my yearly, and let me just do it like this since y'all trying to change the light setting. Anyway, so I write my yearly goals as well as my monthly goals in this one. So I went back, I looked at my yearly goals, I also looked at my vision board for the year, and we have revamped a couple times throughout the year, which is fine. But now I'm trying to see what I can accomplish within this time frame. So I, you know, have my October goals written down, and then I wrote my affirmations. So I will actually, let me share. Yeah, so every, like when I do my morning routine, I like go over my yearly goals just to refresh my memory, and then I go over my monthly goals as well. And then I also read like my affirmations amongst other things in the morning. But my October affirmations. Okay, so I'll just give you one of them. I said, I'm allowed, girl, you could talk. I'm allowed to dream bigger and surpass the goals I've set for myself. What's another one I wrote? I am one with abundance. I attract greatness with ease. So those are some of the goals I wrote, and then not the goals, girl. Those are some of the affirmations that I wrote. And yeah, so I have that. I did some reevaluations, and then also, so this one is like multi-purpose, but mostly like I also like have a longer term plan for myself, and then it's broken down like into quarterly increments. So with this journal, okay, so with this journal I have categories, and I'm not gonna get into specifics of like what each goal is with this one, but I'll have a list of the categories for you guys. So I have career goals, financial goals, physical, like physical slash wellness, or physical wellness rather, community relations slash relationships, mental slash emotional, spiritual, and I've added miscellaneous to the bunch. So yeah, I'll have those all, you know, somewhere on the screen. But yeah, you know, that is what we're doing. We're getting our lives back on track. If you haven't, get your life back on track. We are going to make the most of what's left of this year, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Tell somebody to tell somebody, and I'll see you next time.